Welcome to this guided meditation. Find a comfortable seat. Close your eyes and take a moment to scan through your body, letting go of any tension or pressure. Settling into this time and space. Now just bringing your awareness to the sensation of your breathing. Let this become the anchor for your attention. Avoid trying to control the breath, noticing the full movement and rhythm of each breath. From time to time, your mind will wander off. Observe each in-breath and each out-breath. And as you breathe in, be aware that you're breathing in. As you breathe out, be aware that you're breathing out. Now gently rest your attention. Slowly bringing your attention back to the room. Gently moving your hands and feet. And whenever you feel ready, opening your eyes. I hope you found this meditation helpful and enjoyable. If so, click the thumbs up and share it with friends or family that might find it helpful too, and subscribe for new meditations every week. Before heading on to what you do next, just taking a moment to maintain that mindful awareness.